To download and play Grand Theft Auto Vice City on your PC or laptop, you'll need to use a gaming platform. Start by opening a browser and searching for Steam. Click on the Steam link, which will take you to the Steam store page. And then click on the Install Steam button to download and install the Steam client. Once installed, you'll be directed to the Steam homepage, where you can create an account or log in if you already have one. Creating an account is straightforward, requiring you to provide some basic details and verify your email address. After logging in, you'll see the Steam store page, where you can search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. If you can't find Grand Theft Auto Vice City, try searching for Grand Theft Auto to see a list of available games in the series. Before purchasing a game, you may need to verify your age, as some games contain mature content. Once you've found the game you want to purchase, you can choose from different bundles, each with its own price, which may vary depending on your location. After selecting a bundle, you can add it to your cart and proceed to checkout, where you'll need to choose a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Once you've completed the payment process, the game will be added to your Steam library, where you can download and install it. To do this, simply click on the Download button next to the game, and Steam will start downloading the game to your PC or laptop. You can monitor the download progress by clicking on the Manage Downloads button. Once the download is complete, you can click the Play button to start playing the game. If you have any questions or need further assistance, you can refer to the comments section or seek help from Steam's support resources.